Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 7 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but if in your case this list is so wide then simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. If you want to remove something just make sure that it is marked, so let me mark everything. I want to remove all of the items, and here we can change also the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that we just removed actually everything, so starting from the list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your OPPO Reno 7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.